So what's the first beverage you drink in the morning? Is it water, coffee, tea? Well, for today's dose of wellness, our next guest is sharing some magical morning elixirs to help revitalize your morning. Joining us via Zoom is gut health coach Shaz. Welcome to the show, Shaz.
Hi.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Well, we can't wait to get into it. It smells good. So how important are morning drinks when it comes to your gut health?
So when you wake up, you're fasted. So the first thing that you drink in the morning can play a massive role in your digestion throughout the day. And mornings can be super hectic and stressful. So these drinks are super simple and you can keep your same morning routine, but adding them in can make a big difference in your wellness in your day.
Gotcha, Shaz. So tell us more about these morning elixirs. What's the first one up?
Yeah, our first one is a peppermint coconut. So I have peppermint tea here, and I usually just add in some coconut oil. And the peppermint tea is really good at helping with cravings. So if you wake up craving sugar and pancakes and waffles, if you take that peppermint tea, you're not going to want to have that right away. And the coconut oil is great if you struggle with morning constipation. The coconut oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and will go in there and lubricate your gut and help eliminate.
Smells so nice. Nita?
You like it? Did you try
Nita,
it?
the top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning, sir.
Thank you.
All right,
What do you guys think?
I think it's really good.
My gut feels better already.
Already.
No, and you know what? It makes sense. The first thing that you consume in the morning is sort of going to set the tone for the rest of the day. I've never really thought about it, but it makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Okay, what's next?
This next drink is a ginger cookie. I like to call it that because you have ginger tea with cinnamon, and then the ingredient that's really important here is the molasses, and the molasses is high in iron. And a lot of the times you feel fatigued during your menstrual cycle. The molasses has iron, and it's also adding a nice natural sweetness, but it is best absorbed. Iron is best absorbed with vitamin C. So if you can pair this drink with some strawberries or kiwis, it's definitely a great thing to add to your morning.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
I like it.
Okay, and that makes sense because when you're on your period, you're losing blood, so you want to build your iron back up, and you're saying this is going to help you do it, and it tastes good, right?
Yeah, I think it tastes good. Do you guys like it?
I like it a lot.
Yeah, ginger tea is also known for
We
helping
have
with your
one
gut
more,
health.
and I think this is going to be right up your alley, Dr. Nita,
I'm very excited about it.
because we know you're the chocolate lover. So for the last drink, as I said, this is for chocolate lovers. Tell us about it.
So this is the healing cacao. So if you sift your cacao powder, that's best to keep the drink nice and smooth. And you can add in collagen powder or bone broth powder. Now, when people think bone broth, they think soup because it's soup. But I actually have a vanilla bone broth powder here. And it's important to sweeten it with whatever you feel is necessary for it. So maple syrup or stevia. And it's full of collagen, so it's going to go in there and help heal and seal the gut lining. Also really good for your hair, skin, and nails. So let's give it a try.
Wow.
Multitasking.
I feel better already. You know, it's sort of a subtle version of cocoa.
Yeah.
It is lighter, but does have very nice taste.
I definitely love all of the health benefits.
Yep, Shaz, these are all great ideas and great options. I think starting the morning this way is much, much better. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, for these magical morning elixir recipes and more, go to our website at thedoctorstv.com.